of miss when I can't have you guys. Hello.
We're gonna see each other all the time.
Oh, sorry. Aw, she looks cute.
Gang, 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 gang. Look who I'm fucking again.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Francine or Franny. And yes, I look a mess. I don't care. I actually just woke up. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning time, and I have to be to school by 10. So I'm about to like get dressed for school. Probably not wearing no makeup. I usually don't wear makeup to school or anything, so just about to like shower and get dressed. And I'm actually watching Aaliyah J right now. Y'all don't mind my room. My room is like really messy. But when I'm watching like YouTube videos and stuff, I like to steam my face. I have this cute little steamer, y'all, I ordered from off Amazon. It's so freaking cute. Wait, let me see if I can show y'all. That's what it looks like, y'all. And I got it from Amazon. So I'm gonna just go ahead and steam my face a little bit and finish my coffee. And then once I'm getting ready, I'll just check back in with y'all and just let y'all know when I'm leaving and stuff. So I'm basically dressed for class now. We normally wear like all black, but now we do wear like uniforms. We wear like all black scrubs. So that's just what I have on right now. Please don't mind my room. I know it's so like messy, but this is what this is basically what we wear. Oh, can y'all see me? Alright, y'all, I'm in the car now, so I'm basically just about to go ahead and be on my way to school. Let me just give y'all a little update, like where I'm at, like in school, as far as esthetician program. I'm in a paramedical esthetician program. If y'all don't know what it is, it's basically medical aesthetics. It's basically medical aesthetics. Like it's an esthetician, but I want to go more in like in the medical side of things. Like right now, the second part of my paramedical esthetician program is electrolysis and laser hair removal as well. So I'm not only just doing skincare, I'm doing like electrolysis, laser hair removal, stuff like that. So that basically makes it more medical. Y'all don't know what electrolysis is. It's a form of a permanent hair removal. They stick like a probe. It kind of like look like a needle into like the hair follicle, and it basically destroys like the hair follicle so that the hair won't grow back like ever again. Well, depending on your body and how your hormones are set up, the hair basically does not grow back at all. So like laser is a form of hair removal as well, but laser doesn't permanently take away your hair. It basically decreases your hair growth. And most of it will be gone, but not all your hair will be gone like electrolysis. Basically we do like mainly electrolysis like on the chin area, like men beards and like stuff like that. We don't really do like large areas like the arms or legs or anything like that. So you know, little problem areas a lot of women deal with, like on the chin, mustache. So yeah, y'all, got basically 2 more weeks left in school. I'm so excited. Cannot wait to get done. I just took my final exam. It was like over 300 questions and only missed like 28 questions out of the 300, and I made like a 91. I made an A. So I'm so proud of myself, bitch, because I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna pass. But yeah, I'm proud of myself. But yeah, we have our state boards coming up. So I just paid for that. I actually take it like next week, like July 12th. I take it July 12th, so that's like what, less than a week from now. So I'm basically just studying for that. And this book right here is like, I don't know if y'all can see that. It's like, it's basically the IBEC book. The person who wrote this book, this is basically what our exam is gonna be on. Yeah, basically laser and electrolysis. So we basically studying this book. This is like the Bible of electrolysis and laser. About 8 months. The program is about 8 months, and so freaking excited, bitch. All right, let me hurry up and go because I'm practically about to be fucking late for school.
I'ma send you the top. Press, 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 press. Cardi don't need more press.
So this is one of the classrooms that we just sit and study in. Sorry, Andrea. So yeah.
You don't think is that a problem? I don't know if everything is.
No, I don't think it is. You can just leave it there. Y'all, I had to go get some Starbucks really quick because I was fucking starving. I'm not gonna put you in it. Okay guys, this is my electrolysis class. Oh shit, I put her face in, but I'll crop you out, okay? Alright, wait, I need to do like an overview. Alright, cool. This is like one of the electrolysis machines that we use, and this is like all the supplies that we use as well for the treatments. And here's one bed, and we have another machine over here as well. I still okay. This is a sink, duh. And this is the sterilizer that we use to sterilize the instruments, like the tweezers and stuff after like treatment. And this is what we use to soak the probe caps. I think it's what it's called. And this is where we keep all the this is where we put like the tweezers and stuff in before we put it in the, this looks like an oven, before we put it in there to sterilize. She deep.
You good?
Wait, what do you have? Android or iPhone?
No more? It hurts?
And an impulse. Look again.
Perpendicular to the skin. Yep. You get yourself comfortable.
Do you not hold the skin or anything?
Yep, she's holding, I'm holding. You can take this hand and you can hold like this.
Yeah.
Okay? Make it as flat as possible because we're trying to control a lot of things here. Perfect. Yeah, have it touch the tissue. Perfect. Okay, go ahead. Maybe 10% overlap. Perfect. Down. Keep going. Yes, 10%. 10%. Just because I'm helping you to check it. Perfect. Okay, now you're going to start here. Okay.
That hurt.
You know why? You probably nipped a little bit of ink. See what it feels like? Uh-huh. You're doing great. Yeah. remember. Perfect. Now I'm going to start here. You see, perfect. 10%. Now you're going 10% north, south, and northwest, north. Excuse me, east to west and south on that perimeter. Keep going. Keep going.
Actually, it says it's going in the middle.
Keep going.
You got this.
One more. Perfect.
But yeah, y'all, I think I'm gonna just cut the vlog here. There's really not much to show y'all. I do have a part 1 of my vlog if y'all want to see. I have it down in the description down below and somewhere up there in the cards as well. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. If y'all have any questions, comments, or concerns, just be sure to leave it down in the comments down below, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace.